Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy
2015 Dodge Charger V6. As you guys can see, nice red. What we got done on it, factory converter, factory Wi-Fi. Then we put a DYNOMAX bullet, part number 24215. That box has seen better days. It's 2.5 inch in, 2.5 inch out. There'll be a link in the description for it, as you guys can see there. You always want to try to put some type of muffler or glass back or something on these, because if you don't, they rasp really bad. Then it wires out the back, and we put our signature 5-inch roll tips there. And right there, as you guys can see, it came out really nice. There's the two rear resonators that were on it. And there's the muffler that was on it, the middle one that we cut off. We cut all that off and replaced it. It looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Nice and deep. You see that? It doesn't have that rasp in it. That's perfect. Oh man. Hear sound decibels? Again? 112. Oh man, this sounds good. Again? That's perfect. Dodge Charger with DYNOMAX bullet in the middle and rear delete and 5-inch pin. This sounds so mean. And they say V6s don't sound good. I think it sounds amazing. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger 2015 V6. DYNOMAX 24215s long, 18 inch, and rear delete 5-inch tails. Clean. Got us a Daytona coming in.